Instagram Reels generate massive reach, but millions of views mean nothing if they just evaporate without generating revenue. In under 6 minutes, we are going to build an automated content-to-commerce system right on your profile. We will set up 3 specific pathways: a centralized bio link, an automated direct message engine, and story extensions to bypass platform linking restrictions. Capturing an audience's attention only matters if you give them an immediate, frictionless path to checkout. Before we build, check your account settings. You need to switch your Instagram to a creator or business account and have your next reel ready to upload. This layout shows the 3 pillars we are connecting: your account, a storefront hub, and a video file. We will use Zokera to create that storefront, manage brand partnerships, and handle the DM automation. Linking these 3 elements provides the baseline setup needed to manage incoming traffic and fulfill orders through your chosen storefront. Step 1 is fixing the most common error creators make: pasting non-clickable URLs directly into the text of a reel caption. Looking at this interface mockup, you secure your primary link by tapping the Edit Profile button and pasting your Zokera storefront link directly into the website field. This single link serves as a master directory. It keeps your profile clean while housing access to over 1,000 different brand partnerships in one place. While this is a passive method, it establishes a critical safety net. Anyone who naturally browses your profile now has a clear path to your products. Step 2 builds our highest converting tool, the Auto DM. This removes the friction of forcing viewers to hunt for your profile link. Write your reel caption to demand a specific action from the viewer. Tell them to comment a trigger keyword, like the word shop. This split-screen diagram maps the process. On the left, a user comments the keyword. That exact trigger signals your Auto DM tool to instantly deliver the product link straight to their inbox. The algorithm prioritizes content with high engagement rates. When viewers take the time to type a specific keyword in your comments, it signals to Instagram that your content is driving active participation, which often results in the platform showing your reel to a wider set of non-followers. Step 3 is content execution. You have a tiny 3-second window to show the product before viewer attention shatters. Do not make them wait. Look directly at the camera and deliver a spoken call to action. Telling your audience to check the link in my bio out loud drives significantly more clicks than hiding it in the caption. You should also test different comment triggers. Try rotating between the word shop, the word link, or the phrase want it to see which exact phrase your audience responds to best. Even the most flawless automation system will fail if your on-screen hook doesn't compel the viewer to type that keyword. Step 4 happens on the final upload screen. By connecting to Facebook Commerce Manager, you unlock the ability to tag products directly inside the video. Looking at this interface mockup, you can also manage sponsored posts. By tapping into the Advanced Settings menu, you can add a paid partnership label to legitimize brand collaborations. For Indian creators, note that native in-app checkout is currently restricted. Your product tags will instead act as redirects, sending viewers to your external storefront. Despite those checkout limitations, the shopping bag icon on your reel serves as a critical trust signal, validating your content and driving traffic off-platform. Step 5 gives your content a second life. As soon as you publish your reel, share it directly to your stories. This vector sequence maps the exact path. Tap Share to Story, expand the sticker menu, select the link option, and paste your specific Zokera storefront URL. Instagram requires 0 minimum followers to use the link sticker. You can execute this method on day 1 of a new account. Stories provide an immediate clickable surface for the segment of your audience that prefers tapping a link over typing a comment. This flowchart shows the completed system. A single video source funnels traffic outward. Viewers hear the CTA and comment to trigger the Auto DM, while your bio and stories cleanly catch the overflow, all routing to one central storefront. When they reach your Zokera storefront, followers receive cash back on their purchases. That direct financial incentive engineers repeat buying behavior. To deploy, launch your reel using trending audio to maximize initial reach. Then, check your real-time analytics dashboard the next day to track performance. Once these individual methods snap together, every single comment, tap, and profile visit works seamlessly without any manual effort. By linking content to these automated tools, you transition from simply posting videos to maintaining a system that facilitates transactions every time a viewer interacts with your profile.